Hey, what's the matter?
This letter.
I'm sure it's not too much of a problem. Let me have a look.
It's just... I can't read the address.
Try then. That says Fallendarn Avenue.
But it starts with a P.
Yeah, P-H.
Puh.
Yeah, or fur.
What, like an F, you mean?
That's right, yeah. Fallendarn.
Well, why don't they just write that?
Don't worry, it's just a little lexical hangover from the Latin or Greek.
Look, I'm not thick, I don't speak lexical. I speak English.
No, that's a silent G. See? Right. Silent G.
What's that? Before, for like...
That's a 7.
What?
No, like after 6.
What does that mean?
It means you have to put it through that letterbox over there.
Through what?
Shush now. Listen, I've got to deliver some semi-skim to number 7. You want me to take it for you?
Oh, would you? That would be great. Thanks very much.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much. Hey, it's really nice.
Okay, pleasure.
Thank you.